Well, that's on a bit of an angle today, but if you looked at the Gecol GT858 repair and service of one of our own sets, we're going to be putting this one on eBay, and it's worked out alright. Even managed to do 3.1 watts. Changed the front, put a power lead to it, did the tune-up. We'll be going out with a new standard replacement mic. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger, and we can't plug an extension speaker in because there isn't a socket.
Alright, off we go then.
Roger Dodger. So all the lower end of the GT858s, there are no extension speaker sockets, and some Fidelity 1000s, 50-50 as to whether they do.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger, got you going past the house.
You got tone control?
Negative, got nothing.
Good. Sounds like a low end set.
Where they ought to be.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it's shut.
Well, I don't know, we're not late.
No, it's only 5 to, but it is Sunday.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now square wheeled at the temporary traffic lights.
I don't know. It's ongoing forever, that one.
Yeah, I know. Right, we're off again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Well, Gecol GT858 from 1981 with 3.1 watts. Standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that. All received.
Roger.
Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you out the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you out the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Gecol GT858, which is just a great GT858 chassis. From 1981, it's been 3.1 watts. It's drawing a 690 milliamps. Got low power on it. And it's 240 milliwatts when we get there. 54321. Now we are back on full power, over.
Yeah, Roger, not too many problems on full power. There is some interference then, and when you went to low power it did drop below the squelch, so it is a bit noisy conditions today.
There we go, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over roll speed level crossing. Over. Yeah, 147.9, 157.9.
Roger, well that works fine considering 3.1 watts and supposed to be bleedover box. I've no interference whatsoever. So that's great. 10-10.
Yeah, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over raw speed level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over raw speed level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, 147.9, 157.9.
Roger, well that worked fine considering 3.1 watts and supposed to be a bleed over box. Had no interference whatsoever. So that's great. 10-10.
Yeah, roger that. 10-10.
Well, yeah, I mean everybody says these are a load of rubbish, which they may well be. I can think of some new sets that don't work as well. Especially the more expensive. It's absolutely bizarre, is CB radio. The more you pay, the worse the sets become. Wouldn't you think that by the time you're paying £229, you'd have separate filters for example, AM and FM on the multi-norms which are currently out there? But no, they use the same filter. They haven't got the extra 55 pence or whatever it costs. But you get all these ridiculous menus and things you don't need. Go over to our base station, see what that sounds like. And usually the transmitted audio on these is absolutely fine.
Tango 21, set from the Gecol GT858, heading for eBay in a couple of days. And on this standard replacement mic, setting 12345 54321. Pop it over to low power. There we go on low power, setting 123, and back to normal power. There we're back to normal power. So we still have the CB1100 is a long stay. We've got a communicator on our 440DX, and we have got a Uniden 200 on the shelves as well as a direction finder. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Gecol GT858 from 1981.